ade bi a wo ye no abochi e wo ho ni nsunsun so ne beba wo so no two ways about it so I'm man na you still have to come and face it because that's how the system works oboka de agu bebe ne wa dwuna kwache baabi kwache bebe kana na obi afa wonya okoshe mu aba wa betua ka no. So people have to be very careful and be very vigilant when it comes to exactly how we conduct ourselves in this material world, because the laws of nature make sure that whatever we do, the repercussion comes to us. We have to face it. A positive, we enjoy it. A negative, we suffer for it. That's what is happening.
That is why the Bible even says that whatever you sow, you reap.
You'll be judged. After judgment, if you have to go to hell or you have to go to heaven, you will go through those experiences and you'll be brought back here to continue what you didn't finish. Name your final judgment. That is when God destroys the whole material world. But until then, we will keep on going and coming. Now your corner your body near prepared to honor. And no issue. Until you could bring a business identity. No, one not created all. Now
that it is ever say maybe a German for. Some Bermano, meaning sir, or corner or badia. Some Berman will share or better than a punching.
That be pigeon.
Oh, okay.
Oh, good idea. Pigeon, yes, sex about be a monkeys. Or more yes, as we are. Until none is up upon the bank here. You are other busy or more sex more. As say a yet unpunchable. Yeah, see, as a human being that loves sex, you have to go through so much difficulty before you achieve that kind of. I don't know.
Correct.
Nature wants to make things easier for you. Tell me why you are how? Another example. There are forms of life. Naturally, they depend on flesh to live.
Okay.
Jata. Only. Jata will be common now. There are so many fruits, but only common because they are not created for that. So they are created for flesh. Until Jata no okobusha. Na they are no nyana ma wa we fresh pa. Na tete baby me call Dubai o ma ye ni wa yibi. Omfe no Safari Park. Na said you come South Africa ne Kenya o mo de na forest and kasa and mo ne wo mu no. So Dubai no your desert.
Yeah.
But ma create a forest in be what desert in so.
Hey.
Go for we nan kasa na odwen ho a what ase. E wo desert ni so. E dua nua wom. E na aboa bi o wiase bia o mo ne bi agum. Ndi Jata e wom. Ya wo tiger e wo ho. Ya wo ayi kese aboa bia na ya elephant wo ho ya giraffe aboa bia na o ko te se South Africa no ne other places now more safari parks no ebi wom e na o ma chichechichem nti ka on betena ka mu mo tena ka na ka ne nam nti mo ane na abonten keke we na ka ne nam.
Wow,
it's a beautiful thing. Na edu ba bi as omo feed lion no omo de nam meaning to me na ntio se ponko omo twitwa na fresh no na omo feed omo de omo ka na ho na fanam na ofo na bona jump no wasom do bi agene de na nam fresh na omo wi na mogya ya omo no nyina se se come de no a na fruit o ha monkey di fruit aba ne ho atone no ono bewu because you created for that. Do you nipa nyankopon where wo dental arrangement be bia na you have to live on vegetation. According to science, the human being is supposed to live on vegetation.
On vegetation.
Yes, fruit, vegetables, nuts, roots, leaves, and then it's okay. Until Adam and Eve in the Bible say, Nyankopon say, okay, Genesis chapter 1 verse 29 say, Mama would be see here some ma I have my woman say no na benye wodi na free. Until Adam and Eve no and one no mudi. So that time now mom we one because people human beings were created for these things. Until we nipa ba won no me desen ayi.
Pataku.
Anum data zi. When the get one also no anopa awia nwuma na da bia wo dia na nam ko a. But as a human being no, it is not very easy for you to eat meat. Nam no kwa we na sa 1 year. It's boy ade mpo. Fat near too much. We to go join this no. So as a human being first you have to go to the market or have kusum fidie na when you abo na kum no. Now the best you be kwa betena ho abehu abedwa atwitwa dam no yes jaso na de nchina gum na de makwa gum wa spice no na take time answer when you fufu bia ka ho adi. And so the long process. Tinyango has a call say wodum ye ode pan die. E say e pa de bi ma wa. E be easier for you to pounce on any animal, eat the flesh and drink the blood without you going through the stress of a human being boiling this animal no. So in your next life, nature will make sure be more there. Nature will give you everything on the silver platter. Easier. Nti abo bi o say we Jnana mo a who say lizard because you know achi no awe. Who say abeba no achi no awe. Fidi o maka. O ko to. O ntia ma nchi mu. So see the way nature na ade no. Edu ba bi ya na esere. But no these are the realities of life.
Sure.
So you should be careful what you do, because whatever you do will produce a result. Not two ways about it.
Now that's it. And then what do you have to school?
I want to say that
because yes, because so say I was we now very careful, pa.
You should be.
Yeah, we now very careful, pa.
You should be careful because the obey be no.
And what can you?
Trust me, this nature is very just. Ade bi a wo ye no, abochi e wo ho ni nsunsun so ne beba wo so. No two ways about it. So a man na you still have to come and face it because that's how the system works. Oboka de agu bebe no wadwina kwache baabi. Kwache bebe kana na obi afa wonya. Okoshe mu aba wa betua ka no. So people have to be very careful and be very vigilant when it comes to exactly how we conduct ourselves in this material world. Because the laws of nature make sure that whatever we do, the repercussion comes to us. We have to face it. A positive, we enjoy it. A negative, we suffer for it. That's what is happening.
That is why the Bible even says that whatever you sow, you reap.
Na pen na ntimi anso na se odwa hokwa nti obi da wabira gu Bible ka se obi otwese kan no obi sika no memo example bi ansa na wo question we bisa se ye Bible mu a ye ka bibi se obi otwese kan obi wo sika no. There's a story in the Bible a man for time pay attention. So Old Testament there was a prophecy. One of the prophets old Elijah. Elijah was a very powerful prophet. Very powerful. Nene near day. Nti o kan Bible say no ntena fi otimi de mote wadanes num. Na man fokan bi say no we me be ne omobo onim de omoka. Na nya be na ore.
Na den no.
O kan say na odi ewo any locust. Locust ni LOCUST. Maza we o betima check e wo Google. And I only Google. O check Google la. Locust LOCUST no. First meaning no eye abebe. Bayoti. Second one no eye bia bi mu nsuo, some kind of water bi e fi nsuo mu ba. E fi ahoma mu ba. To bi bia ni locust no ye den eye poisonous. O wi locust abewu. Nti Bible no kind of brofo say na Elijah was dependent on honey and locust no. Nti omo translate the every brofo mu abetwi kasem no. Oko de share mu akohu se locust no nyina oma ntutu mebe na bo say na ori ntutu mebe ne ewo. It is never like that. But if you have abehu say obehu meaning number 1, meaning number 2. Number 2 no na eye nsuo bi e wo se sojafo ho sojafo so omo ko nwire mu a forest na se sikom de omo a se oyi ba ta hwe wo fo ma oyo dua bi wo ha sa homa wo twase ya na nsuo ba mutum num nsuo ni sa
yeah
nti se wako Google a minim se wako so ohu ho ha
me na mo hwe
me mpese obi be ka se Jnana on the obet na ha na o kan nsem no na mu se ade wo okọ dictionary I mean you should be able to see it.
Oh yeah, that's how locust plants
locust plant
because the pictures are here.
That locust plant way and na Elijah odi ene ewo ba ko Bible mu ka twi Bible no say na odi ntutu mebe ne ewo.
So translation
from the English to the Chi no say ga ko borofo no ma be hu say locust gina homa ntutu mebe. Number 2 no so gina homa ta Jnana wo de che no but Chi de ko fa sa ntutu mebe no. So that Elijah he was eating only the locusts. Yes, I be a munsu any honey nkwa na odi. Na the dread egu no ho nitin wanyi or a dreadlock. He was a very powerful man. At that time na Israel for no sumsum sa ba konfo no ne ba worship person no omosom ba. So onyankopɔn prophet ba kuru no ɔse mo nyame na mo som no saa nyame no end deserve some besom no yawe nyame na se mo som no no ya baal na aboa ye bibia na ye maye no se no se mo fi se baal wo tumi dia yen test ne hwa de se wo tumi a saa de yenya for the botia fire sacrifice na mo amoya komfo no mo mfra baal se o magya metom se gya betom ye nyina ye besom saa baal no wantimi anya na me ye dia me ya wo na me som no na mo nyina besom no and I'm going to get two until I'm going for the Muchiano, bar worship a chassis or more canchi, all the incantations. A jamba. And that you like I said, Monsan Su crying a day, ever for the Muchiano. No more sense of Busua man a foy. No bomb by the Jeffries to buy.
Buy.
Tileja or prophet Akawaya, they say, no, yes, what you think? I'm not the before no chip bar worship on phone could be so many. He beheaded all of them. I mean, who your Bible student? You know what I'm talking about. Bible says will be over case everything. Elijah Bible say that the actually Asiana had the fire of chariot. If I know so. The time Elijah corner Malachi 4:5 can say Elijah now corner. As a sort of sign baby mu and son of Messiah naba. And in the actually yes, we buy no perform wonders, no. Jew for no margin say Elijah. Don't hear time and not John the Baptist or share a fias, no. No be see. But idea be Elijah or Kukum Crofo. Even though he was a prophet of God, God did not instruct him to behead anybody. He did that on his own volition. A Bible was some say, Ubi be your better second. It's all who was second. And on his own. Now, idea. Up to now, we are no case Jew for engine to say Messiah number. They at Africa how you do is Jew for you because Torah no Old Testament they can say as I say Elijah bans and no moon Elijah. The years of banner no your miracles no so Messiah. How do we accept you when we have not seen Elijah coming? The idea yes, you need Peter near for me and son echo be so. But be a transfiguration by no. And a voice and I say, me double you into money into. Why Peter bisa uses and a dainty. And I try no can say Elijah Babans and a wabano. No, see Elijah Nababa Mohuno.
Wow.
Oh, go and read Mark 11.
Okay.
Oh, Bible.
Elijah Nababa.
Oh, yes, you can. Oh, Matthew or Mark or look or say Elijah Naba. No moon. Now the air is that the Omodi year no. Sabe no de me. The one I know you have to say, na Elijah, you join some no Kanyana. But oko another quotation, they used to say, the owaso no the unti. Na Elijah na more channel. On then they join the Baptist.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Nana Jnana.
No, a simple thing about
no, oh yeah, I don't be anymore.
Anyway, say I saw for nim omunim say they make it. Did they be on can was can John wasem can but they cannot do this connection. The years you can plain say yes I need na more train na or yet more say Elijah mra no. John the Baptist or the waso no. Until we will be our follow Jesus teachings at check. Baby bia na yes because say or because say the waso no until it means say adi here ni kese. The years when kasa the can say Elijah na Jew for no train until up to now munje ni ntume no John the Baptist Yesu boy so for no say mo kwa mo hwe na man kan sa asem we antiro bia because according to Bible theology no na say Jew for no epo no say Jew for no po no a they are mamamu for no they are considered to be Gentiles no they will receive him so whatever blessings are ewo Messiah ni mo no na Gentiles no so nya bi but getting to the end days no now the Jews will realize say sa kwa no ba ye kunu so many years ago no na ye Messiah na.
Wow.
So let us go back to him. That time no then they will accept Jesus. But see me no can say omunjin tum say Messiah number. Na ga dey kwan ben so na fa ye kun John the Baptist. One nima. Mother it is ni. And on ko Bible ni.
Bible ni dey share nko.
What kind Bible la? Kwan ye fa so ye kun John the Baptist eternity. Na akura baba wa bi Ediasa ewo palace.
Yeah.
And no hene no say akure wasa ye me fe. Then na pe na me mam. akakura akosa wo hene ni mo hene se bisa dem say on ka se me pe gold coins and as e bia me pe palace o se me pe don'ti
enokre
me pe don'ti a yakwako that na don'ti da fi ase yakotwa don'ti e dey ato apampa so e dey abara kra se obewe na obe ne dey na akura wo sa wo pe ade ni pe tu be ne dey. Don't forget say John ye ono na the past life no ye Elijah no say Elijah yi na twitwa about worshipers ti and the Bible say obi bi obetwe kan no obewu osekan no say wo wangu na wo ko soro as Elijah na wo ba biom as John the Baptist ade na wo de sekan ye ni bibi atwam no that thing might come to you and nti na say twa John ti ni twa John ti nti obi ono ye prophet of God from his old time as Elijah na say see as why John the Baptist na nyame me twa ti because o obi ti a wo a wo tie me say ya me no ka say wo na wo be ya ade a wo be fa ho ade no wo dim de oka
enti na we dey be so say abrante bi nam ho na obi wo ne sikan anase ye boni tu a could it mean say in his past life no wo buy no o ye bibi sa
the eternity say the person deserve to die through that means. If you don't deserve to die through a means of say gunshot, it will never happen to you. Now I'm saying
Ababa, yeah.
You be a boy. I'm saying
Bruno is
young girl. I saw the picture. Beautiful young girl. When I see a very painful and I was for no me na yako. I mean, obete to ba me na do say beautiful like this. Now be wusa na ya pa. But no credit say nyina ya say yenkra tu enwajan. Say dem panyimfo kam say yenkra tu enwajan. Nti de ba to no there's the owner as of Fasuko. And who knows, maybe the past life you did one or two things, and because of that you have to go to. I mean, young girl, they are saying or no, but be a 201 or Benz. Almost to the pump action, eh?
Pump action.
There's a video. I mean, who you are not getting a two, no, meaning say, mom, who's that video?
I mean, who's that video?
So you see that kind of thing. So very painful for a beautiful young lady to go out of this material world through that kind of means. But trust me. And no matter to you and say, oh, you will really understand. Say, wow. The be a example be a funny bet metaka. Say, see, you know, Shadio, you movie you haven't here. Now moving a better 2 hours. Now, West came more, and we movie so. My cock baby that. Be a local movie by Ghana. I'm saying, Jaco movie saying, Ghana movie. I was there, and I'm saying, I went there to go and watch it. Until everyone say moving here 2 hours. Na what the traffic when you want to go to a 20 minutes movie nedu but we will take it into you can go and watch ntu movie no mu theater ho na mo yi movie na pre ko bo say ya chi owura bi na amount for the tire hye no kon no mu twa to machine obi bia we ye nipa onya wura mu na hu sa de ne pa e be house na nkrofo ti medin say na brand ye mu de yi tire hye no kwa mo hye mu ti medin papa because a sinner uhu no. And as a human being, I walk mother you sane human being. You will pity the person now, punish the son. Because moving on, one so. But I'm not moving from the beginning. No more who's out where you would do moving Robbie, why you a month for report among crankets and because what you they will be happy, say, I say, name the root cause of no manner AIDS now. We will understand that people deserve what comes to them.